Great day, mabuhay! Welcome to Pochology 101. Today, real talk tayo. Hindi ito tungkol sa pera lang. This is about mindset, habits, discipline, personal responsibility. Habit 1, escaping through endless entertainment. Kung kaya mong mag-binge watch pero walang oras mag-aral, may problema. Time is currency. Ang mayaman ini-invest ang oras. Ang stock inuubos. Escapism is dangerous. Habit 2, ignoring health. Your body is your first capital. Energy equals income. Clarity equals growth. Habit 3, buying because it's on sale. Don't ask magkano tipid. Ask magkano kaya kong kitain. Habit 4, waking up without direction. Kapag gumising ka ng walang plano, life will outrun you. Growth is deliberate. Habit 5, living as a spectator. Stop being audience in life, be player. Better yet, be owner. Habit 6, neglecting personal standards. Respect yourself. First impression is silent marketing. Habit 7, blaming everything except yourself. Victim mindset weakens you. Ownership strengthens you. Habit 8, no emergency fund. Cash gives you options. Options give you power. Prepare for crisis. Habit 9, using debt for ego. If it doesn't generate income, it's liability. Utang should multiply you. Habit 10, creating responsibility before stability. Plan before expanding. Don't let emotional decisions lead to struggle. Habit 11, ignoring preventive care. Prevention is cheaper than cure. Discipline is cheaper than regret. Habit 12, spending future money. Delayed gratification is power. If you don't own it yet, don't spend it. Habit 13, staying in comfort circles. Growth requires new rooms, new conversations, new circles. Habit 14, not executing ideas. Ideas that never start fail 100%. Magsimula ka na. Habit 15, expecting rescue. No one is coming to save you. Self-reliance is power. Grind for it. Bonus. Faith is powerful, but faith without action is fantasy. Prayers are not business plans. Grind. You don't become rich by wishing. You become rich by adjusting. Are you owning your mistakes? Write this in your heart. I choose growth. Because that is where real wealth begins. Mabuhay mga ka-AI, this is Pocholo the Voice Master. See you in the next masterclass.